Hello, my name is Robin Boyle-Laisure. I am Professor of Legal Writing at St. John's University School of Law, located in Queens, New York, USA. I am very pleased to announce the publication of my book, Teaching Contract Drafting. This book covers a range of skills that students need to acquire in order to be competent lawyers, engaged in the practice of law, engaged in transactional drafting. Also, it's a good skill for students to have in any practice of law, even if they go into litigation, because they will understand what a representation and a warranty is, what a covenant really means, and they will also be able to recognize these concepts in a contract and be able to litigate them if they are litigation attorneys. My background is I started in the Wall Street area. I was at a large firm, Dewey, Ballantyne, Bushby, Palmer, and Wood, and I was in the transactional practice area. We did leverage leasing at that time. And the firm is no longer in existence, but it gave me a very good background to start my career. I then moved on to a bankruptcy setting. I was clerking for a bankruptcy judge in the Southern District of New York. And then I went into a large law firm in Manhattan that focused on bankruptcy, which was Patterson, Belknap, Webb, and Tyler. I ended up at St. John's Law School, where I've been happily teaching for 29 years. And along the way, I have been consulting with nonprofit organizations in terms of their contracts and giving them pro bono legal advice. I am very happy to share my work with those of you who are interested in teaching contract drafting or learning more about contract drafting. This book is suitable for not only the academic setting, but it is also suitable for law firms, because I remember joining a firm and really needing advice as to the components of a contract. This course that I teach now, contract drafting, did not exist many years ago. But I'm sure many associates joining firms also need the training or need a refresher. The book covers not only the basics, but it also has chapters on drafting international contracts. It has suggestions about pedagogical approaches. It talks about client counseling and negotiation. It has exercises and answers. It has sample contracts. I've also included some samples from my classroom with my students' permission, because they have used their imagination in drafting contracts that are of interest, I think, for my reader. I am happy to share any thoughts or answer any questions. If you contact me by email, I would be happy to respond. My email is boylr@stjohns.edu, and I welcome your questions and suggestions. Thank you.